Here's my latest update. My crystals are all installed, all secured in epoxy, and it's all wired up. This is a wishing machine. Now you can see here where I've got all the crystals wired up. I've got litz wire, which I wound up using a little mini drill. And I've got these little PVC things I made, which I just tacking the wire in position there, the little white things. They're sort of tacked on blue tack underneath at the moment. They'll probably come off and I have to glue them on in there. But it's all wired up here. I've got about 7 crystals here all up. Now all I need to do now is coat the inside of that box with this 44 megahertz high frequency dragon's blood oil. Now, according to the internet, where I've found an internet thing about the most highest frequency oil is dragon's blood oil. That's 44 megahertz. I don't know how they tell that anyhow. How the hell do you measure the rest of the frequency of an oil? But anyhow, that's it, all wired up there. All I need to do now is make the back panel for it, put it on, just give it a nice good test. So I'm going to touch that up with some dragon's blood oil inside there, see what that does. Okay, thank you for watching my latest update.